Dear learner, we are continuing with this spectra analysis, and this is my attempt to solve a spectra in a systematic way. I have given one videos in that I have shows the operations of spectra. What we have to do, we have NMR, mass, IR and UV. This is my first spectra. You continue with that. I am trying to solve more spectra on that. So we will see the spectral data. So first, when we are getting the spectral data, first an important thing is we have to highlight a most important data. Among the given total data, we have to highlight the all data. The first thing is a molecular weight. Molecular weight is 72. Molecular formula is not given in this data. So we have to determine a molecular formula from the molecular weight. The UV 272 data something is given to us. From IR, the most important data is here. It is written that is this a strong signal, it is a medium signal, it is also medium signal. From the strong signal we will do the conclusion sum. From this IR we move to the NMR. In case of NMR, all the data are very important. Whatever the written at here, 2H, 3H, 3H, all the thing we will do of one by one. Suppose a molecular weight is given 72. So how to calculate a molecular formula from this molecular weight? So based on 13 rules, we will do 72 divided by 13. So what we are getting, 13 5s are 65. Then we are getting 7. This is our N, this is our R. So molecular formula is equal to, we can say, Cn plus Cn into Hn plus R. So according to this, what is the molecular formula? C5H12 is our expected molecular formula of dihydrogen. In this formula there is no oxygen, there is no nitrogen, there is no sulfur. For that we have to do the treatment. Suppose we move ahead, we have NMR. So based on NMR, whatever this is given to us, 2H, 3H, 3H, this is nothing but this is a number of hydrogen with respective signal. Quadrate, then this is singlet, this is triplet. At this stand for delta value is written. Okay, and the delta value's unit is ppm. It is not mentioned here, but this unit is ppm. So first we will see one is singlet. That means one fractions from this is a singlet containing a 3 hydrogen. So it would be this. Then we have a triplet with 3 hydrogens. This means a CH3, and it is a triplet form. So we required a neighboring carbon should containing 2 hydrogens. Then this is come at here. This is 2H. The 2H is a quadrate, so most probably it is matching with this pair. Okay, so from that we come to the conclusion of this one. Now we will matching number of carbon is there, 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, but depending on this molecular formula it shows that there are possibility of a 5 carbon. So let us move ahead in IR data we have. So based on IR we can say that this data, which are the data we have, is a carbonyl group is present. In case of this one, near to 1700 this is a most probably a carbonyl group. There are so many functional group in case of carbonyl. It is aldehyde, it can be a ketone, it can be a carboxylic acid, it can be a ester, it can be anhydride, it can be amide, or many more functional group is there. uh, Amide, we have to decide what is that. So what are the fragments we are getting? We are getting a fragment CH3, we are getting the fragment CH3 CH2, we are getting a fragment a CO. Now based on that molecular formula also we can change. Now it is confirmed that oxygen is present in our compound based on a functional group analysis. Then 2941 28757, this is a signal of alkane CH stretching nearer to that. So that will help us. Not all the data is required to uh, we have to analyze, but most important data. Now the oxygen is here. In 13 rules, the mass of oxygen is around about 60. So equivalent to that, we have a CH4. The mass of CH4 is, sorry, the mass of CH2. Okay, no problem. CH4, that is 16. So what we have to do? We have to remove the CH4 from this formula and we have to add oxygen. So we remove the CH4, the C4, H8 and O. This is expected molecular formula from this molecular mass. Let us check the mass of this. So what is the mass of CH35? That is round about 12 plus 3 means 15. This is around about 12 plus 15 plus 14. We are getting 29. Then this fragment we have mass is 12 plus 16. So this is what we can say 8 to 28. 28. So sum of this is 72 AMU. So this is matching with this molecular weight given in our formula. That means we are very happy, we are near to that. So how to match this fragment? We have to match this fragment in such a way. This is only possibility. There is no more possibility in case of given compound. So we are getting such a structure, this containing the acetone functional group. But after getting the structure, we must have to move a conformative test. Without that, we cannot go. Suppose we are getting such a structure. That structure is a CH3, CH2, CO, and CH3. From that, based on reverse engineering, yes, it will give the singlet. This functional give this is quadrate. This will give a this will give a triplet. This will give a quadrate, and this functional group is conformed near to 1700 centimeter about this carbonyl group. So this is a structure of conform. We are very happy to find the structure. I hope you enjoy all. We will see many more spectra. To continue with the spectra and to learn the analysis and help to the research, continue with my channel and subscribe it if you want. Thank you.